Tired of watching your Wix website load slower than a snail in molasses? Let's turbocharge your Wix site in just 90 seconds. First, log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. Click on the Marketing and SEO tab on the left-hand side. Next, select SEO Tools. Before we dive in, run a quick website speed test using a tool like Google PageSpeed Insights or GTtricks to get a baseline score. This way, you can track your improvements. Now, let's talk images. Large, uncompressed images are a major culprit for slow loading times. Use Wix's built-in image optimizer or compress images before uploading them using tools like Tynip or Imageoptim. Wix automatically optimizes images as you upload them, but pre-compression gives you even more control. Aim for file sizes under 500 kilobytes whenever possible. Caching is your friend. Browser caching stores static elements of your website on visitors' computers, so they don't have to download them every time. Make sure browser caching is enabled in your Wix settings. While Wix handles a lot of this automatically, review any third-party apps you're using, as they can sometimes interfere with caching. Finally, keep your code clean. Avoid unnecessary elements, scripts, and complex animations that bog down your site. Regularly review and remove any unused or outdated features. After implementing these changes, run another website speed test. You should see a noticeable improvement in your loading times and overall performance. A faster website means happier visitors and better search engine rankings. Give your website a boost today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web tips.